Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to be working on the carbon fiber wing for the M3. We've been doing a lot of little cosmetic upgrades on the car. Let's get to it. Alright, first thing we need to do is remove the old spoiler, and it's just held on there by a 3M tape from the factory. So get yourself some fishing wire. Put gloves on because fishing wire tends to hurt after a little while. Just gonna slide it under and rock it back and forth. That's just basically cutting the 3M tape that's under there. Gotta get more. As you can see, it's coming up. So let's get some more. Like I said, it's just fishing line. Cut myself a piece here. I'm gonna start right back. Just keep it going. So we got that out. Just gonna peel back. As you can see, it's just held on by double-sided tape. We're gonna have to clean all this up. As you can see, it has the BMW E46 M3 part number, everything on here. It's a factory ring, so we're gonna save this. We're gonna clean all this up now. Get all this tape off of here. Alright, first thing we're going to do, clean this up a little bit. Just get some of this dirt that's been under there for however long. Just kind of clean it up. Do it with this little scrub. Just do it soft though. Just want to loosen up some of that dirt that's been under there for years. Wipe it down. Now we need to get the actual tape off. You could try to peel it off this way, but what I do is I use a plastic thing. Alright, I'm gonna try these. Alright, so got some goof off, little rag, Just pour some on here and kind of rub it in. It'll take off some of the glue. Just kind of smoothing out everything here. So I'm just going to use a polishing compound just to buff out everything. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to do it anyway. Just put a little bit of compound on. Alright, so we polished it. Now we're just going to hit it with some, this is alcohol and water. I'm just going to spray it up and get any remnants off of any wax or anything that might be on there. Just soak it and then just wipe it down. Just get a little rag, wipe it down. Should be nice and smooth now. I'm gonna wipe all this off. And this dries quicker, so the new 3M tape can stick better. Alright, so this is the wing, the spoiler. I'm gonna test fit it just to make sure it's the right size and it fits properly. And it looks like it's perfect. Awesome. Perfect fitment. So as you can see, this is Gorilla clear tape. It's the same width, thickness as the one that it came with, but this one is a lot thicker. The other one was just thin. So I think I'm gonna need more space to fit it down. So I'm gonna set it down, going all the way across. I'm gonna set it down, going all the way across. We're gonna start on this end and just kind of work our way all the way across. And if I have to put a little bit on the back end, then I'll do that also. But for now, we want to get as close to the edge as possible, because you can see how it was curved right here. So the factory tape that they put down is cut precise to the wing. So what we're gonna do here is peel back our tape. So we're gonna take this side of the plastic off. Just peels right off. Now be careful when you're setting this down, because once you set it, that's where it's gonna stay. If you notice, I kind of left the factory outline there so I can see. So I kind of want to line it up with that. We're gonna go right there, straight down, all the way to the other side, and down. I don't want to push it down yet. I want to make sure I like the way it looks. This gap here, okay. Little gap, maybe a little bit over that way, just a tad bit. Just kind of. That's why you don't want to push it all the way down. I'm gonna go. Come on. Messed that one up. That's okay. I'm gonna go right. Maybe there. About there. Let's see. Alright, there we go. Now we're centered. Perfect. So now we can push down. Make sure we're all good. Push down. You just kind of want to keep pushing down for a couple seconds so it can stick nice and tight. Hold each side for a couple seconds. It sticks nice and tight. And that's on there pretty good. It's not going to move. Perfect. Just making sure it made contact all the way through. And that's it. That's how you install carbon fiber wing. Let's take a look at it from all angles. That's it. Well, that's it for today's video. We installed the carbon fiber wing on the M3, and this here is my little helper. His name is Leo. Say hi, Leo. Hi. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Did that work? Yay!